Hello, my friends. Welcome back to English Unleashed podcast. I'm Leo, and in this episode, I want to talk about a very important question. Why do we learn? Why do we work? Why do we practice every day? And what really motivates us to continue even when learning feels hard? Today, we will start a new journey with a famous book called Drive. The book is written by Daniel Pink. This book is about motivation, the real reason why you do something. For example, why do you study English? Why do you wake up early to practice? Why do you listen to podcasts, read books, and try again after making mistakes? Many people think motivation comes from money, scores, or rewards, but this book shows something very interesting. Often, rewards do not help us. Sometimes, rewards can even make learning worse. So in this episode, I will talk about the old idea of motivation and why it does not work well anymore. I will also connect this to language learning because learning a language is one of the best examples of real motivation.